Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin or BornHype coming at you guys with another video. Today, we got a crazy unboxing of something I got lucky on. I got two boxes from Nike. I don't know which is which, so we're just gonna pop right into the first one. I gotta be careful with these. Okay, what is this? Oh, perfect. Correct the box right away. These are crazy. Wait, what? No way. Bruh. There's no way. No way. My fucking box is wet. You guys see this shit? Bro. No way, bro. Dog. This is what these are, and the fucking box is wet. I swear to God. It's literally wet. I don't know what it is, but it's wet. Okay. The shoe is fine, though. That really pisses me off, man. Why is it wet? Bro, hold on. Shit is soaked on the inside. How the fuck did it get wet? Nothing on the actual box. Nothing on the actual box is wet, like the box it came in. But this shit is soaked. On the inside, this shit is wet. I'm fucking pissed. Whatever. Bruh, alright, at least the shoe's okay. And this part of the box is safe, so. Why do I always get these issues? Alright, well, it's the Off-White MCA. These dropped the other day. Sneaker stash. I spoofed to Chicago and copped. Yeah, basically, I'm very excited about this shoe. It looks fucking massive. To be honest, this thing looks huge. But this is size 10.5. These will be for sale if anybody wants them. We got the Nike Air on the side right here. We got the fucking like foam tongue. Got the shiny off like center swoosh there, with the like swooshes in the background like right here. We got the Off-White for Nike, and then we got the Air on the side. Nothing on the back. Well, Nike Air on the back, you can't really see it. And then we got some extra laces right here. And then the other shoe, and of course the laces say shoelaces. The other shoe, same shit, just we got the tag. But bro, I can't believe they came wet. I'm so mad about that right now. I'm not even kidding. I swear, I have the worst luck with like flaws. Everything I get has a flaw. I get my MCAs, Off-White MCAs, and the box is soaked, soaking wet on every side. Nice. Alright, I guess I'm going to let this dry. I don't really know what else I could do with it. I could take another... Hold up. I'm going to see if this works. I do have my Travis Scott Air Force Ones. Now, are they the same size? They look like they're the same size. I'm putting my Travis thing on it, and I'm just gonna, cause, yeah, 100%. I'm definitely doing this. There we go. I just put my Travis Travis Air Force One on it. So yeah, now it's okay. Now the wet one can come on go on my Travis Air Force One box. Okay, I'm not as mad anymore, but I'm still fucking tight. Like, how are you gonna do that to such an expensive shoe? This is definitely from the factory, because the UPS box, like the actual shipping box, isn't wet at all. So that's very fucking annoying. But at least I could fix it. Alright, well, I guess that's it for the Off-White MCA unboxing. My wet ass box. I'm just gonna kind of do that and hope it dries. Alright, well, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe down below. We are 3 subscribers away from the Supreme Nike wristband giveaway. I also got a crazy tattoo, so if you guys want to see this, like a video on that, let me know. But yeah, I am very, very upset. Alright, so this has been Gavin or BornHype, and I'm out, guys. Peace.